Greetings to you and welcome to Minikun Tutorials. I hope you are doing well. If you have actually issues with, let's say, um, enabling or disabling pop-up window blocker in Edge, Firefox or Google Chrome, then I will show you how to fix that in this particular video, right? Sometimes, for instance, you may want to do something. Okay, you are probably like working on something, and then a pop-up window needs to open up. All right. Meanwhile, you have actually the pop-up window blocker turned on. So when you try to open, for instance, this particular uh, website, or when you try to click on this particular hyperlink, you'll get this warning that, you know what, a pop-up window blocker has been detected on your system. Please disable or uninstall any pop-up blocking what software. Sometimes it's not really because you have a pop-up blocking software installed, but it's simply because your browser's own settings um, have been disabled. All right, your browser's own pop-up window blocker has been turned on or disabled. So if you have this warning shown, it simply means that the pop-up window blocker has been what turned on on your browser, be it Edge, Google Chrome, or Firefox, and you need to turn it on. In some cases, you may not want to have these pop-ups, all right, these pop-up windows, and in which case you may be interested in what turning off your or turning on your pop-up window blocker. So I will show you how to either turn on or turn off that in just a few minutes. All right. So to do that, let's go to my screen. Okay. I'll just go to my desktop. All right. And right here on my desktop, I have Firefox here. I also have um, Edge, and I also have Google Chrome. So the purpose of this video is to show you how to do it on any of these browsers. So if you are using Firefox, then it will help you. If you are using Edge, if you are using Google Chrome, I'm gonna be able to help you, right? So we can start with any of these. All right. Let's start first of all with Google Chrome. All right. So if I should open Google Chrome, how do I actually turn on or turn off my window or my pop-up window blocker? In Google Chrome, you simply have to click on these three dots here. All right. So when you click on these three dots, you come down and you will find what? Settings. So you click on settings. And when you click on settings, you come and click on what? Privacy and security. So when you click on that, you simply go down, scroll down here, and you will find, normally you are supposed to find um normally you are supposed to find, let's check pop-ups. And okay, click on site settings, right? And then you scroll down and you'll see what? Pop-ups and redirects. So you click on that, and then over here, you see over here, mine was actually on what? Don't allow sites to send pop-ups or use redirects, meaning that my pop-up blocker was what? Turned on. Sorry, was, yes, was turned on. All right. So if I want to turn it off, in other words, if I want to allow sites to send, let's say, pop-ups and use redirects, then I have to, if I want to disable it, then I have to select what site can send pop-ups and what use redirects. In which case, if I click on a hyperlink or any website that needs a pop-up, then that it will just open up immediately and I will not get the error that I showed you earlier on. But if I want to disable it, then I select this. If I want to, for instance, allow, let's say, pop-ups for a specific site, then I can, for instance, say don't allow it, or I can disable it for the entire browser by choosing this. And then if I want to enable it for just a particular site, then I'll come and click on allow to send pop-ups and use redirects. I click on add, then I can say, for instance, facebook.com. All right, just put a website here and click on add. Similarly, you could choose to turn on for the whole of the browser, meaning any website, except, for instance, a particular website. Then in which case you can click on add, and then you put a website here that you don't want, um, let's say, that you don't want pop-ups to actually open. So you can block just for this particular website by entering the website and clicking on add. So it's as simple as that. Now let's see how it goes for, let's say, Edge, or better still, Firefox. Let's try the 2.2. So now let's see how it goes for Edge, right? For Edge, it's very simple. Let's open Edge. Now, when you open your Edge browser, you simply come and click on these three dots over here, and then you click on Settings, and then you come and click on Cookies and Site Permissions, and then you scroll down until you see something pop-ups. All right, you'll see over here pop-ups and redirects. So you can click on this, and you see, right now it has been what blocked. All right, so you see blocked is turned on. That is the recommended um, whatever settings, meaning that by default you are most likely going to have this turned on. And if this is turned on, it means that you cannot open any hyperlink that requires a pop-up window. So you can turn it on or off here. So if I want to turn it off, if I want to make sure that when I click on a hyperlink, it opens, then I have to make sure that I turn it off. But if I turn on the blocker, then it means I'll not be able to open any pop-ups. Similarly, if I want, I could turn it on, meaning I could block any pop-ups, and I could allow it for just a particular site. Just enter here and click on add. I could also turn it off, meaning all pop-ups can open. Then I'll just block it for a particular site. Add a site here and click on what? Add. That is it. Now let's see how it goes for, what is the name, for Firefox. So you just open your Firefox browser, all right, and you come and click on these three bars over here on that's the menu, whatever. You click on that, you go down and click on settings, and then you come and click on what? Privacy and security. And then you scroll down until you find something related to pop-ups. So it's right here. So you see that currently block pop pop-up windows is actually checked, meaning that pop-up windows cannot be opened on my browser. If I want to allow, then I simply uncheck. So it's as simple as that. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this helped. Please remember to like and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.